Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the next session. So in this video we are going to discuss about a question which is asked in TCS 2021 November first week technical round guys. Okay. So in technical round there was a question based on Java. Okay, so this is the question guys, right? So they have given this code snippet. Okay, so they displayed on the screen and basically they are asking for the answer, that is how many times the star has been printed and what will be the final value of B. So this question was a bit tricky and simple also. Okay, so you just use your common sense here, then the unary or the unary operators, pre-increment and post-increment, so those kind of things are applied. So let us solve this one guys. Okay, so you can feel free to pause this video at this moment and try to figure out the answer. So if you are not able to figure out, then of course I will be giving the solution, then you can continue watching. So just try to solve it yourself guys, it will be helpful for you. Alright guys, so first let us read the question once. So class A, public static void main strings and arguments. So that's the main method. So there is a variable which is uh, of integer type, int b equal to 2, and they have defined a while loop here. So while b plus plus is less than 3 or b is equal to 6. Okay, so at that moment, so there plus plus b one statement and b plus plus is the another statement. So after that you need to print system dot out dot println star. I have written it as SOP. So when this condition goes false, you have to at the end print the value of b. So this is the question guys, how many times the star will be printed and what is the value of b at the end. So the answer for this one is basically guys, star will be printed two times and the answer for b is equal to 9 when this code executes completely. Okay, so now you'll be wondering how. Okay, so let us solve this one. So at this moment guys, so at this moment the value of b is how much, the value of b will be 2 here. Okay, so first and this note that this is post increment. Okay, so post increment means first we have to use the value of variable, after that we have to increment. So first the value of b will be used, that means 2 is less than 3 or 2 is equal to 6, and it is, as it is a or operator, one of the two conditions if it goes true, then the loop will be executed. So here you can see 2 is less than 3. Yes, this condition is true and this is false, but if it is false also there is no problem because one of these two conditions is true, so that's why it will execute. So now come to this line guys. Okay, so these are the three lines, right? So here if you come, already the b value is 2, first the b value is 2, and once it uses the b value it will increment the b value by 1 because b plus plus, due to this post increment, whenever this line is executed, so at that moment first it will use the value of b, then it will increment immediately. So when it is coming to this line, the b value is already equal to 3. Okay, so before this line itself it has gone from 2 to 3. Okay, so now when it executes plus plus b, that is pre-increment, that it will become b equal to 4 here. After that again b plus plus, only single line is there, so its value will become 5, and after that it will print star once. Okay, so now the star has been printed. And another twist is that guys, we know that whenever the for loop executes the statements, then it will increment the value of this I. It's just like I, so that's why it will increment the value of b by 1. So if it is not explicitly written also, it is understood that it is incrementing the value of b. Okay, so that is loop variable by 1. So whenever it comes or whenever it completes, the b value has already become how much, from 5 to it will go to 6. So now it will again come here, 6 is less than 3. So see here, in second run what it will be executing. So first it will check 6 is less than 3 or 6 is equal to 6. So here this condition is falling and this condition is true, so one of the condition is true and it will come to the body. But before that, as it is now, b value is 6, so due to the post increment the b value will go to 7 before coming to this line. So now at this line, okay, so at this line the b value will become, okay, so it was 6, right? So it was 6 and now it has 7. So here it has gone to 7, 7 to it will go to 8, and for this statement again b plus plus it will go to 9. Okay, so and it will print the star. So you can see that the and after that what will be happening, so at the end b value will be 9 here, so this is the 9. and after this b value will go to 10. Okay, so b value will go to 10 and 10 is less than 3 or 10 is equal to 6, both conditions are falling, so that's why it will not go to the loop and it will come over here and directly print the b value. So b will become 9 and star will be printed two times. So this is the complete solution for this question, guys. And for these kind of questions or the solutions, please consider subscribing our channel, because we will be uploading these type of videos continuously. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next one, all the best.